Hi, this is Monique Morton Rice, and this is my project 0 for the CS50 W class. I've used HTML with some Bootstrap, also have a SAS and a CSS page to format it. You can get to any page in the site by using the nav bar at the top. All the pages have the same nav bar. So when you start with the home page, this is actually a Jumbotron picture with some styling here. Jumbotron is a class within Bootstrap. I used Bootstrap rows and columns to format this part. And these are actually awesome icons, little icons that lead to social media sites. They don't really link to any personal account, just to the general site. On the education's page, this is where you'll find my bulleted lists. These classes on the informal education are all classes that I've either taken or are currently enrolled in on edX. All here on the skills page, here's a table with icons of technical skills, HTML5, CSS3, Java, etc. These are actually languages I've played around with and know a little something about, even though this isn't really me. There's nothing else on this page except that table. And on the interests page, there we go. On the interest page, we also have a table format, but this time this is strictly using the grid as you use in Bootstrap. The page does look different on a smaller screen, so that's something to keep in mind. The Project Zero link just takes you back to the home page. Let's take like a few seconds to just look at the CSS, and then we'll be done. So this is my GitHub for Project Zero. You'll notice here inside the CSS page, we go in here, we do have a SAS page and a styles.css. What I decided to do is just write all of my styling in the SAS page and then have it create the CSS through compiling. So as we look down here, we'll see some examples of nesting and different types of formatting. I did use a few variables. Here's a media query. So that's basically leading to the consistent formatting of the website. So that's it. Project Zero, Monique Morton Rice, CS50. Thanks.